But before this honeybee begins her daily journey, she gets her tools ready. Because she's not just flying around for fun. She's on a mission to collect pollen. You probably already know this.